Before you sign up with Viasat, pause for a second, because most people assume all internet providers are equal. The surprising truth is that Viasat is a satellite internet provider, which makes it accessible in rural areas, but it comes with trade-offs in speed, latency, and data limits. Viasat offers internet service to locations where cable or fiber isn't available. You won't believe what happens next when users discover that speeds can reach up to 100 Mbps in some plans, but weather, satellite position, and network congestion may affect performance. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume high-speed internet is the same everywhere. Satellite internet often has higher latency compared to cable or fiber, which can affect gaming, video calls, and live streaming. Getting started is simple. Choose a plan, schedule professional installation, and set up the satellite dish. Viasat plans range from basic packages with 12 Mbps to premium plans with speeds up to 100 Mbps. Most plans have monthly data caps, after which speeds are throttled. The upside is availability. If you live in a rural or remote area, Viasat may be the only option for consistent internet. Installation is professional, and customer service provides support for setup and troubleshooting. The downside is latency and data limits. Streaming HD video, online gaming, or working from home during peak hours can be challenging. Heavy data users may experience throttling once limits are reached. The surprising truth about Viasat is that it's a lifeline for underserved areas, but urban users with access to fiber or cable might prefer alternatives for reliability and speed. If this review helped you understand Viasat, subscribe for more internet provider reviews and tips.